Hello, I'm Steve Diltz with Encoder Products Company. In this video, we'll review the installation procedure for the Model 58TP, EPC's newest incremental programmable through-bore encoder. The 58TP features a compact all-metal 58mm diameter through-bore housing. Bore adapter sizes range from 1/4 to 5/8 inch diameter, and you can choose from a variety of anti-rotation flex mounts and 7 connector options. The Model 58TP is ready for the most demanding industrial operating environments. It's ideal for motor control, material handling, processing machinery, and mobile equipment, anywhere shaft-mounted rotary encoder feedback is required.
First, confirm you have the hardware and tools needed to mount the encoder to the motor. This includes the appropriate flex arm and mounting screws, insulating washer, locking washer and mounting bolt, hex wrenches, and a wrench for the mounting bolt. Make sure the shaft meets the runout and diameter specifications as listed on the product data sheet. Inspect the shaft to make sure there are no burrs, gouges, or rough edges. The flex mount is designed to allow for orientation at a variety of angles. For this demonstration, we'll install it with the encoder connector at the 12 o'clock position and the flex mount at the 10 o'clock. Make a test fit to align the tether to the correct location and then attach the flex mount to the encoder. The insulating washer is designed to offset the flex mount from the face of the motor, and it has a boss that fits the slot on the flex mount. Assemble the washers and mounting bolt in the flex mount slot and position the encoder radially on the motor shaft. Tighten the mounting bolts securely. Do not strike or apply excessive axial or radial force when installing, otherwise you can damage the bearings. Adjust the encoder axially to its final location on the shaft. Ensure that the flex arm is straight, not bowed, otherwise you can apply unnecessary loads to the encoder bearings. Finally, tighten the shaft collar. The encoder can now be connected electrically and made ready for use.
For more information about the Model 58TP and EPC's other encoder solutions, visit Encoder.com.